Good morning. Today is September the 17th, 2020. Dear everybody, how is virtual learning going for you? The first grade teachers are working hard to make this a great learning experience for each of you. Today we're going to discuss the landform coast. Have you ever been to the beach or seaside? This natural wonder is a popular destination for people because there's so much to do. If you have been to a beach, then you have first-hand experience of one of Mother Nature's coolest creations, the coast. The coast is where the ocean meets the land. The 193,000 miles of coast around the world is always changing. The wind and waves cause erosion that reshape the shoreline and can cause cliffs and arches. Sediment is also deposited along the coast, helping to reshape the coastlines. Best wishes, your first grade teachers.